My name is Conner Mansheim. I'm a firefighter here with Present Fire. I've been with the fire department for a little bit over 2.5 years. From when I was a kid, I remember going to my grandpa's station and hopping in his rig, and that's just kind of where I got my first interest in what I wanted to do. I take cooking as like, it's a passion. You do it because you want to, and I like to give a good product so we can all eat good here at the station and then be able to perform well on calls. Today we did a Mediterranean food, so we did chicken shawarma. Lulu is about 50% lamb, 50% beef. We did some Mediterranean rice. We did a Mediterranean Greek version of fries, tzatziki sauce, a garlic sauce, and I did like a garlic onion roasted hummus with chicken shawarma mixed into it. We also did a cucumber salad. Then we also did some pita bread that we warmed up in the juices from the Lulu just to give it a little bit flavor, get it a little crispy. Every couple weeks he'll pick like a new spot, different country, different continent, be like, cook this, cook Indian food, cook Persian food, cook Mediterranean food. It's kind of how we choose what to cook. I think all the firefighters liked it, enjoyed it. Some of it's their favorite meal, so they requested a couple times.